Hello and welcome to our channel, Elke Art. My name is Mrs. Elke and today I'm working with
Ella Elke.
Ella Elke, who is currently 8 years old. And Ella and I were talking about some of our favorite books, and we decided to do some art inspired by some of our favorite book characters. And this girl right here cannot get enough of
Pigeon.
Pigeon. I'm guessing maybe you've read some Pigeon books too, like Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, right? Mo Willems is super fun and has some super fun characters in his books. We love his books in this house. So today we did some pigeon art. We wanted to be inspired by the character and it makes some fun, different versions of Pigeon. You want to show them what you got? So we did 4 pigeons on ours. You could do as many or as few as you would like. And we were trying to think of different ways that we could show Pigeon and how Pigeon was feeling. We also added some words to our art too, so that you could say what Pigeon is thinking or saying. So have fun with this, guys. Pigeon is a fun one to draw. All right. And if you are liking these videos, what should they do? Subscribe down below, all right? And then you will get more fun drawing tutorials with the Elke family, right? All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy.
See ya.
All right, we decided that we're going to go ahead and do a couple different pigeons so you can see some different ways you can draw them, because pigeon is super fun to draw, right, Ella?
Yeah.
Yes. So the first one, I'm just going to do it kind of up in the corner. And if it helps, you could always fold your paper in 4 sections so that you have like a little box for each one. But I'm going to go ahead and start up here with a circle like that. And then I'm going to make another circle inside. And then I'm going to make a colored in circle inside of that. That's going to be Pigeon's eye. Then I'm going to make 2 lines that go down like that, 2 vertical lines. And then I'm going to make this one turn into an L shape, kind of like that. Good. And I'm going to connect this one in a big U up to that one for Pigeon's body. I'm going to add a little wing inside like that. We're going to add a little collar thing on his neck. And then you can decide which side his beak is on. You can either do it back this way so he's looking that way, or you can have his beak over here like this. So his face is this way, but he's looking that way. And I'll even put a little bit of the bottom part of his beak there too, like that. And then his legs are real simple. So they're just like stick lines that go down. And then I add 2 little lines on either side to make it look like feet. And that's like the basic pigeon right here. But sometimes it's kind of fun to make him doing a couple different things. So we want to maybe put him in a couple different types of actions. So we're going to do another one, and I want to show you maybe something else that you could do. I think we'll do one right here underneath, but this time instead of putting his head on this side, I'm going to put it over on this side. So again, I'm just going to start with a circle. And then I'm going to make another circle inside. Good. And then I'm going to, this time, have his eye right in the middle. So he's just looking like straight at you. And for the beak, instead of having it closed, maybe we'll have it open like the pigeon's talking, because the pigeon talks a lot. So I make 2 little beaks wide open like that. And then again, I'm going to do the neck. This time I might do it down at a little bit of an angle. So instead of straight up and down, it's a little bit off the side. And I'm going to just do a little L for the back. And then I'm gonna still curve all the way around and up. But instead of the wing being down for this one, I want the wing sticking out. So that's why I didn't go all the way over. I want the wing kind of coming up like this and then coming back down like this. So it looks like his wing is up. Then you can finish. Good. And his other wing's gonna be up over here. So I'm just gonna put another, it's kind of like a V shape up like that. So it's look like his wings are up on both sides. And then I think I'll still just do his legs straight down, kind of like that, with the little feet coming out. And then don't forget the little collar on his neck. So there's 2. Ella, do you have an idea for another one that you want him to do?
You can make him angry.
Make an angry pigeon. All right, let's see. If he was angry, maybe we can do him looking straight at you. So, or like from the front. So maybe we'll do another one up here. I'll make a circle. And then I'll make another circle. And is he gonna be like angry yelling, do you think?
Yes.
Okay. So maybe his mouth is gonna be open because he's yelling, like that. And his eye, I'll put maybe down here. And then if you're angry, you can have kind of an angry eyebrow, like that. And then I'll put his neck straight down. And then I think maybe I'll make his arms crossed. That's kind of tricky, so we'll try that. All right, so for his arms crossed, we'll go out to the side. And then I'm gonna bring it around. And this time, instead of going all the way up there, I'm gonna curve up in here, like that. And then I'm gonna connect this part up, like that. Good. And then this is gonna have a little lip like that and come back down like that. So we can cross his wings. And then the other wing comes right here. There's a little line like that. And then it kind of comes up like that. That's kind of a tricky one. And then it comes like that on there. And instead of having him standing, I'm gonna have him sit. Like he's like angry and pouting. So the legs are just gonna come straight to the side like this. And then the feet will be sticking up. 1, 2, 3. So he's sitting and pouting angrily because he's not getting something that he wants. Yes? And then let's see, another one, Ella, that you want to do?
Enjoyable.
A happy one. Let's see. Something like maybe that. That. All right, we'll do, this is like sweet pigeon. So we'll do circle again. And this time, another circle for the eye. His eye's gonna be looking up like so sweet and nice. Usually pigeons like that when he wants something, right? Like he wants to drive a bus or a cookie.
Or a hot dog.
Or a hot dog. I put his beak down, and then the neck's gonna come down like this. Oh, I forgot the collar. Always forget the collar on the neck. Get the collar on your neck. This time, instead of going straight out like an L, I'm gonna go down at like a diagonal a little bit. And I'm gonna draw the wing first before I connect it. So the wing is gonna be kind of down in the front like this. So it's a V that's kind of curved. Yep. And then I'm going to go down behind that and around and up. It's like a half circle always. And then the other wing is going to be coming right here too. They're together. And then maybe I'll have the legs kind of bent a little bit with the little feet coming out. Like that. Okay, so you can really play around with a lot of different ways to draw pigeon. You could do pigeon in a lot of different attitudes or actions. Maybe pigeon is angry, maybe pigeon is silly, maybe pigeon is flying, maybe pigeon is pouting. See if you can play around with different things. So Ella and I are going to go ahead and color our pigeons, and we'll make them, of course, kind of come to life.